Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create a README file for your GitHub repository. Let's get started. First, open GitHub. In your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select your repositories from the drop-down menu. Now, choose the repository where you want to add a readme.md file. Inside your selected repository, click the Add File button at the top right and select Create New File from the menu. Alternatively, you can scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add a README from the README section. At the top of the editor, make sure the file name is set to readme.md. Below the file name, you'll see a text editor. Here, you can write your project description using Markdown syntax for formatting. For example, to add an H1 heading, type hashtag followed by a space and your title. For an H2 heading, use hashtag, and for H3, use hashtag. You can also add a table of contents or other structured sections using Markdown. Once you're happy with your content, click Commit Changes in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear. Click Commit Changes again to confirm. Your README file is now live and displayed in your project's main view. To edit it later, just click the pencil icon on the README. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can create a clear and professional README.md file for your GitHub project. That's it. Kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.